What up, squad? Y'all already know what it is. Let's go. Another good one for y'all today. How real is war? Raw footage from two trucks behind me. So this is a good one. This is gonna be a war video. Parental advisory, man. I don't know if it's cut or was really. If you got a bad stomach, might want, But we're gonna dive into one of these type of videos today. And I appreciate all y'all who do serve and stuff, man. I got a lot of friends and stuff in the military, Navy, and Army, and I love all y'all. And what y'all do is crazy. And this right here is a first person view. It get no realer than this than being out there. Um, let's see what we got today.
Yeah, dude, that was close. I think we were three-wheeling there. Yeah.
Oh my God, it look like Egypt out there.
Be on the fucking lookout.
It really look like Egypt out there. You see the mountains and everything. That's crazy.
Yeah. I don't want to do it when you're up here. You're kind of slow in the body and kind of stop.
Trucks is super noisy too. Hope y'all got y'all food. Hope y'all got y'all smokes ready, rolling up, cause it's about to be another one. It's about to be a good one.
Awesome. I.E.D. maybe?
God damn, don't hit that.
Yeah.
Don't hit it. It's crazy how you can see that stuff.
Hold on.
Like they train to see that stuff.
Keep
Cause not for nothing.
Okay.
I can't see shit. I'm on top of this guy's head.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I thought I had movement on this fucking bridge over here.
This says it was recorded from two trucks back, so I guess this is the third truck we're looking at here.
Up there to about the 11. Right to the left of it. God damn it. Yeah, I can't fucking get anything on it, dude. It's gonna be, it'll come up on the 3 bride here when we make this turn. You follow this draw up, it's in that draw. Yeah. Nah, fuck, goddamn trees.
They don't like them trees.
No. Well, yeah, it's gonna do that.
You got goats. What's that? Goats just running around and shit. Dogs and goats. Golly.
No, I can't see anything, dude.
I bet. That's crazy. Coming from America, going out there is probably like a whole different change of ball game. Like, look at they road, bro. Like,
Yeah.
that's
Oh, yeah.
everywhere around there. This world is huge. This is crazy to see right now. This don't look like nothing we got out here.
Kids out here throwing rocks at us the whole way.
Southside Jersey.
We're down a little bit farther yet, but there's people out up there. Bunch of people sitting on the wall right here. Hey, be advised, it's only kids we're seeing out down here. There's really no adults. Over. Roger, it's just kids out again, just like yesterday. There's really not many adults. Over.
Yeah, it's kids up there on the top left. On top of the rocks. Looking down. Throwing rocks and stuff. Oh, there's some right on the street. Holy shit, it's hella quick kids. They're wearing all black and shit.
Careful.
More ducks and pigeons and shit. Pigeons, ducks.
Fuck. It's so goddamn bumpy that I can't even fucking use the vinyl.
What's that say? Cran raspberry flavor. First strike.
Trying to think you fucking see something and then you bounce and it's fucking, you gotta fucking take another minute and a half to find that same spot. And you hit another bump and then
Bro is locked in on driving that motherfucker.
nothing you guys can
Absolutely. Damn, it's a couple trucks.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. They got all the bars on the drums, like on the doors, and the netting.
Yeah, we were right around this yesterday.
I guess anything can happen at any time. You know how many snipers or something could be going on right there? You're always being watched, probably. It's crazy.
What do you mean? I fucking hope so, yeah. I haven't heard any issues about that. Well, they contact. I don't know. Whoa. Fucking I.E.D. I.E.D.
Damn, it's going down.
Yeah, we got nothing. Fuck. Yeah. We gotta push. Yeah. Stop.
Push on foot.
Mother. Watch our fucking. Whatever you have to ride. I know.
Damn.
They're working on it.
Oh, bro, booking it. Go.
What's that? I'm going.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm
Go
going.
get that nigga. Go get him. Truck, boy, that's a truck. That should probably, I don't know, y'all comment how much them trucks is. They looking heavy, hard as hell to drive. Bumpy ass ride, but like, oh gosh.
Hey, we need a fucking medevac now!
My boy ran over there.
We need a medevac now!
Yeah,
I'm grabbing the walk!
Wait, where's the walkies? Yeah, get the walkie. Y'all don't carry that? Comms like Warzone. This ain't the same thing in real life.
Get up there! The whole truck, I need a medevac. Go!
That must be the commander to captain, whoever this is right here in front. He is.
Stop, sir! It's bad!
Holy fuck!
Oh my god.
What we can do? We're fucking trapped under the truck! Are they alive? One is breathing! Everybody else is fucking... Fuck!
That is crazy, yo. That is super crazy.
Hey, Doc!
Yeah.
Do you need the litter?
Yeah.
That shit is upside down, yo. Like, to flip a truck over like that, that's a big behind explosion, bro. Like, that's crazy.
He's still breathing.
That is really crazy. That's the bed they gonna bring you out on? What is that?
No one else. There's nothing I can fucking do.
What is he doing with it? You gonna put it together or what? What is this guy doing? Oh my god, yo. Hold on. This truck is completely demolished. And there was probably like 4 or 5 deep in the truck that they was just recording in. Did I just see some boots? I just seen some boots. That's crazy. It look like some boots right there. Wow.
Peterson. Hey, give me the fucking litter! Give me the fucking litter!
Oh, he's yelling to get the cot. Yeah, cause you just abandoned the
We
cot,
gotta get
bro.
it set up!
Hey, hold on, brother.
You gotta get it set up, man. Get that shit set up, bro.
Hey, you guys, hey, hold on. We got you.
What's up
Hey,
with it, man?
give me
Like,
somebody to help me set this up!
I ain't need help to set it
All
up.
right, BJ.
I hate these pieces of shit!
Get in here, try to get him out. Let this fucking
Trying
truck
to get y'all a
now.
nice view.
Spin it.
Figure it out, you know what I mean? Figuring it out, Jack.
Who's got my fucking cat piece?
It's on the other side of the truck with mine!
Okay. Fuck. Stay with us, Habib. Hey, talk to me, brother. Yeah. Hey, brother, talk to me. Talk to me.
It's gotta get spun the other way, doesn't it?
No.
Okay.
Turn yours. Turn yours. Hey, you need to get it open and we need to get him on the other side of this truck. Talk to me, brother. Hey, Habib.
They is struggling to get this cot together, bro.
Fucking A!
Like, what the fuck? It's not.
watch have
It's,
the schedule in 'em?
nah, bro.
Yeah.
Cause like it's taking them 5 ever to get this cot together. You would think y'all always getting shot at. Y'all got casualties left and right. That they make some easy snap. Let's go. Get him out of here. Throw him on in. Get him out of here. Nah, bro. They struggling and he came for help and the other guy can't even get it done. If 2 guys can't get it, one guy can't get it done, it's an issue. Y'all can make something better than that, bro. And that's a mesh bedding. That's mesh bedding. That black, that's mesh. What, some steel bars? What is that?
Hey.
My boy was about to bust his knee trying to put that joint. Oh my God. That's crazy, bro. That's really crazy. Tell you, I'm out there, ladder.
Hey, I don't care if you have to
Oh, they
cut
got
him
it.
out.
They got it.
Get him out of the fucking truck.
They got it. He said, you don't care, get him out the fucking truck.
Unstick him. Do the best you can. That's his fucking life. All right. Get the middle. I'll get the front. I need
Habib.
every dismount to the I.E.D site.
Habib!
Get in here, try to get these guys out, man.
Doing good, man! Stay there!
Ready? Hey, get the fucking tourniquet on, Doc. Let's go. Let's go. All right, hey, Habib, talk to me, brother. Habib,
Come
talk
on,
to me.
man! Stay with us, Habib!
Habib, talk to
Stay
me.
with us!
Habib,
Come on, man!
Habib, talk to me. He's still breathing.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, is that medevac in?
You got legs? Yeah, go. All right, let's go. 1, 2.
Hey,
Hold
down
on.
here.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Need to cut
Hey,
this one open.
hey, can they fucking bring up a ramp through C-47 here?
Fuck. What are we stuck on down here, Doc?
Right here, then we can ramp load. We can ramp load. That's perfect. Hey, Habib, stay with me, brother. Habib.
Keep
Habib.
talking to him.
Reminds you.
Hey, Habib. Hey, don't worry,
This,
man.
good, man?
It could be ambushes is about to happen. They out here
Come on,
performing
man. Stay with
medical
us.
treatment right where that happened.
You're doing
Whoever
good.
put that
You're doing
there
good.
knows.
Stay down.
Stay down.
No,
Stay
like,
down,
this
man.
is
Just lay back.
crazy.
We're taking care of you, man. You're good. You're good.
Here's the moon. This is 2-4. Send it. Hey, Habib, talk to me, man.
You're doing all right, man. Stay with us. You're doing good. I'm gonna go grab that shock blanket.
Say again, over.
That truck is demolished, bro. Oh my God.
Hey, get the fuck back up here. Pull security up here. We're gonna need you to fucking move casualties. Hey, come on, brother. Hey,
Come on, Habib.
Habib,
Stay with us, man. You're good.
come on, man. Get them out of there. I know. Hey, Habib, it's all right, man.
You're good, man.
Hang in there, buddy. You're doing great.
You're doing good.
My boy's in the truck trying to do whatever he can. Look like he's trying to do something.
Doing good, man.
It's crazy.
Hey, is there? Hey, sir.
Be careful with Toga.
He's
got a head injury.
Vehicle? Is there any way we could crawl through the engine compartment?
Negative.
No.
Somebody on it.
Tell me what's going on over there. Who is that? Is that Toga right now? God damn it!
Come on.
If he's screaming, that's good.
Yeah,
Keep doing
I was
whatever
about to
you're
say
doing.
Hey. All right,
Fucking
Doc,
A.
he's stabilized.
Toga?
He's stabilized.
Yes.
Get him over here.
Him? Can we have somebody else move so I can check out the other casualties right now? Yeah.
Get on fucking Toga. He's out of the truck.
Toga's out of the truck? Hey, I need somebody to help carry this litter and get a beep out of here. Hey, you have that litter. Hey, we got a fucking... All right, on 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Be careful coming through there.
Golly.
Let's go.
Where do we want him, sir? Back to 7? We gotta get him somewhere. An LHOD in here. Where's 37 at? I don't know, sir. Hey, we need to prepare the fuck. We get down into this fucking body right here. Hey, where are we putting the bird at?
Where they putting the bird? Down there, laying that bird.
Okay,
What?
careful.
Jeez. Oh, they going. They going.
He's down over here. He's still moving. He's alive.
That's crazy. Yo.
Be very careful. Trying. Let's set him down here and make sure he's strapped. Right here, turn.
My boy need a break.
Set him down, make sure he's
here.
strapped on.
Yep.
Tighten that strap down.
Damn, Habib.
Sorry, Habib. You're doing good, man. Stay with us. Habib. Habib. Come on, man.
It's not funny. Me and my boy got a joke. It's a background joke we got. This guy at the gas station. We call him Habib. But it's like, it's just a saying that if you just say that to somebody, that they'll turn around and just look at you. And we used to just do it to the guy. It's just funny. Me and the guy got a good relationship. So no, I'm not racist. So it's just funny because we said it just like that as kids. It was like, Habib, Habib. And then you do that. So it's just, that's crazy though. It's really crazy. Pull through.
What do you got,
Habib.
sir? Let's go feet first.
Roger. We need to mark the LG with smoke.
We got to move across this. We got to go feet first. You want to turn?
All right.
Yeah. Be very careful. All right, hold up. Koozie. All right, go ahead. Hold up. Oh, fuck.
Oh, wow, they strapped it
Yep.
up. Yeah, because that was a slope, boy. I'm looking at it like,
Down here.
drop, bro. He already not doing too well.
Slow, Koozie.
You got it. Here, we're putting that. It's right here. I'm coming, sir. I need help getting down this.
Yeah.
Fuck. Put it down.
Hang in there, Beeb. Hang in there. You do good, man. Stay with us. Habib, you hear me?
Hey, over here. Over here. There's a drill coming down.
Come on, man.
We gotta get down. We got 2 more still breathing though, sir. We still got the well breathing and empty. All right, ready, sir? All right, ready?
Fuck. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Habib, stay with us. You're doing good, man.
Hey, what the fuck is this? Hey! What's wrong? What the fuck is
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Wake up. What the fuck is that? Copper wire right fucking there.
That's probably the command wire to that.
Command wire. Let's go through here. Come on, let's go, let's go. Command wire doesn't float, don't worry.
Wow. That's the command wire that blew the thing up. That's crazy.
Can you grab him down there, sir?
Yep.
Hang on, Koozie.
Hold on. Shit.
I got him.
Oh, grab him. I got you, go. Hey. Okay?
Yeah.
There you go. Just go that way. Huh? Yeah, come on, buddy. Coming down, I'm switching with you. Hey, put down. Wow.
Oh, my boy just said right now.
You want to hand your weapon off?
Yeah.
Hey, somebody take his weapon.
Roger, take the weapon. You want me to help carry or what?
Yeah, sure.
Got it.
You want to take the whole thing? I'll take your weapon.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, switch up.
Koozie, let me know when you need a break. Hold on, man.
That guy's
Okay.
big. He's not too big, but he heavy, especially with all that gear. They had no time to grab no waters, no smoke breaks. It's going down. That's crazy. This is what they train for.
You got it, Koozie? Habib, you doing good? Stay with us, man.
I need someone to switch out with me.
Stay with us, man.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. Careful there, sir.
Oh,
You all right, Koozie?
Sorry.
Oh, shit. You good, man?
I jerked him hard.
that hurt.
He's good.
He gonna be getting on the
You're good,
medevac
Sarge.
too. Say him a seat next to him.
All right, go and set your end down.
Cause his ankle gone.
Here, I'll grab him.
I know that hurt. Helmet crooked. Poor guys, yo. Well, that's it. Hopefully those guys survived, and that's crazy. Thank y'all for who do service out there and who did service. This was a good one, man. I'm gonna leave the original video link in the description for y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Appreciate y'all tuning in for another episode. We're gonna come at y'all some more fire reactions coming soon. I'm gonna give more catalog, a nice little video set for y'all so y'all could really lock in. I'll holla at y'all later. Drop a like, sub, hit me.